We're doing an intro song. H&L's Daily Dose.
Hey everybody, what's up? Oh god, I can't get out the door. That's right, today's all about the bike. And nice open driveway. It's Lauren, we're in Sushi. I just applied for a job.
I have nothing to say today, I'm sorry, I have nothing to say.
Don't think Lauren's having a good day. Well, I just applied for a job and fingers crossed. James, you've eaten a lot.
That's what I've eaten.
It's nice.
Yeah, I keep getting thinner and thinner. That's right, suck on that.
The power of Japanese food. Tell me to suck on that.
Suck on that. I'm not fat.
He's even making it rhyme.
It's a good year.
It's a good year for James. He's so happy that he's even rapping what he thinks.
I'm so happy that I forgot to change my shoes. I better go change my shoes. I'm back.
Go back. I decided to make Lauren feel a little bit better.
Wash your hands. Peasant. Open. Yeah. Oh my god, it looks like I'm opening something different. Pull it out. Shut up. Pull it out.
You can totally get high on this.
Peasant, pick your litter up. Can't turn off. Ha! Gutted.
Floaty, 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 floaty. I feel like I'm being shouted at, but I don't know what about. I mean, that's all well and good, but really what? 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 What do you want? I don't know. Look, even this is shouting at me. Caution. Everyone's shouting at me!
Wait for a minute. What?
The sky is darker because it is considerably later. We've been in these chairs, I think we've calculated we've been in these chairs about 2.5 hours. Our rubbish is still here. By the time we leave, it'll all have been safely rotted, and now I've just realised how much that's going to make Lauren go. Now's probably not the best time to realise that I'm going to be riding a push bike home in the dark.
Oh yeah.
Through country lanes.
We should leave now.
This is going to be a snuff film. I don't think leaving now is going to make any difference. It's pretty much black. I know that the camera makes things look brighter, but it's pretty much black now. With the light you're seeing in the sky is coming from all the lights in Bluewater.
True, but it's not pitch black yet.
No, but by the time I got on the bike and wheeled it up there, it's going to be pretty much there.
Walk into a toilet, we've noticed something about the artwork. Doesn't that rabbit look like it's just got like owned in the throat by a bit of grass, but it looks like a spear? It's like, who? What? What is this? Oh, it's oh.
Now they have the grass. but soon we will take it from them.
You just destroyed thousands of child's like memories of this place. Great, well done. Now to have wee wee.
Wee wee. We go to the toilet, we come out and it's already this much darker. Whoa. She just doesn't understand meteorological things like I do, even though I can't pronounce them. Meteorological. Meteorological.
Lighty things.
It's not. Yeah, it's not even a weather thing actually. It's just daylight. Is daylight weather?
I've explained to you before.
What?
God makes the sky dark. I've explained this to you before, but you never listen to me. It's nothing to do with lights. It's God. Oh.
You've been living next to that church way too long.
Yeah. The bells have made me go,
Oh, that's why. Oh. I just put a theory. It's because the bells make them go like that.
Our bus is at that next stop.
I just don't want to sit with people, so I'm going God, my hands.
God, your hands are
This?
smelly.
No,
Oh.
smooth.
Oh, smooth. Oh.
Ew.
Nice. Your bus is
I
here.
just elbowed you in your belly, sorry.
Your bus is here, and you must go with no fear.
Bye.
Okay, I'm back with the bike. And I've got the chain off. I've got to put it in the bag. Oh, one-handed. This is some exciting footage. Can I get a chain into a bag one-handed? Be honest, this is what you're tuning for. But unfortunately now you have to go in the bag too. Bye bye.